Tennessee Department of Transportation Project Information Tutorial, June 2009. The purpose of this tutorial is to provide you, the account manager, with key information that is publicly available through state DOT websites and to tie that information into the Hilti Civil Initiative. We believe that AMs need to be informed and in tune with current and future state DOT projects. Keeping informed will allow you to provide current and potential Hilti customers a wide variety of state-approved products. The American Recovery and Reinvestment Act of 2009 allotted TDOT $572 million for these projects. Being aware of the type and scope of these projects gives you valuable information to develop a focused sales initiative. Understanding the phases of a transportation project and the parties involved will also help you strategize your sales efforts. Using documents regarding state-approved products, pre-qualified contractors, and letting information will tie all of this together and give you a focused sales path for both existing and potential Hilti customers. This slide shows the common projects and products that you will need to focus on within the Civil Initiative. Gear your efforts around bridges, roads, and highways. Hilti's products can be widely used on either new or repair projects. As previously mentioned, it is imperative that you grasp the bidding process and your role in each phase along the way. As an account manager, you should be teaming with the field engineer during the design phase to make appropriate application solutions. During the bidding phase, you should team with the RM to formulate qualified product list submittal packages. After the contract has been awarded, follow up, verify, and secure the order. During the construction process, it is crucial for you to be accessible for site visits and to consult with the FE or RM if need be. Once construction has been completed, you have completed the sale for that particular project. Keep in mind, many contractors have multiple projects at one time and do bid new projects on a very frequent basis. The state-approved products list tells you which products are offered for state-funded transportation projects. This will allow you to understand which products can be offered before arriving at the customer's office or site. To access the state-approved products list, go to www.dot.state.tn.us. This will take you to the homepage for the Tennessee Department of Transportation. Once you're here on the homepage, select the For Contractors link on the left-hand side of the page. After that, click on the Information for Contractors link, and then Specs and Procedures, and then select the Qualified Products List tab. Scrolling down the page, you will see all of the Hilti state-approved products by category. These are the products that you will bring and recommend to the contractor or purchaser during the bidding phase. You should be providing the contractor or purchaser with a quote and submittal prior to their bid being placed. Tennessee pre-qualifies contractors for specific areas of work to ensure they have the financial resources, integrity, and experience to complete projects on which they bid. Using this information, you can plan either calls to a current customer or identify and plan prospecting calls to potential customers based on location and projects they are qualified to bid. To locate the pre-qualified contractor information, we're going to stay on the contractor information page. From this, select Pre-Qualified Contractors, and this will allow you to view all of the current pre-qualified contractors' contact information. In time, this information will be taken and condensed using market research to define how we can integrate it into the SAP system. You will be aware of current and future projects, along with the ability to prospect new clients based on current and future project types. Becoming familiar with the letting process will enable you to keep track of every project that has been bid on and awarded or will be bid on and awarded in the near future. Using this information, you can plan your activities around plan holders for future projects by looking at the project location, type, and scope, or by those contractors already awarded contracts for projects currently in construction. The bidding process includes a conversion of plan to proposal, opening the bid to the contractors, analyzing the bids, and finally awarding the contract. Remaining involved throughout this process will keep you informed at every step along the way. To locate this information, we are again going to stay on the contractor information page. Next, select the Bid Lettings tab from the left-hand side, and then select a pass date. After doing this by selecting the Summary of Bids link, this will allow you to view the awarded contractor, the other bidding contractors, and the bid amounts from both the engineer and the contractors. Notice the project description and the project location in the heading at the top of each page. By clicking the Contract Awards link, you can view a slightly more in-depth view of all the awarded projects, the contractors, the estimates, and the winning bids. Remember, once a contract has been awarded to your customer, you must immediately follow up and be accessible to that customer. Reconfirm the price, subcontractors, project start date, tools and consumables, quantity, and the date they will be ready to purchase. On a side note, for a view of look-ahead projects in the next 3 years, go back and select 2008-2010 Highway Project List. Select Roads Projects List 2009 to 2011. Here you can view upcoming projects by type of funding, location, cost, duration, and proposed start date. This database will allow you to team with the FE and RM much earlier to approach both the contractor and design firm. By doing this, you will be able to include Hilti products in the design specifications and the bid submittal package. In summary, the Tennessee Department of Transportation website has every piece of information you need to be successful in the sale of Hilti products for transportation projects. Using the aforementioned tools, you will know what to sell before arrival, who to sell to, and what you will sell in the future. This will allow you to formulate a concise and focused sales approach to both our existing and potential customers.